Hi, I'm Tom DeLaney. I'm a radiation oncologist at Dartmouth Cancer Center. I have an interest in tumors of muscle and bone. My father was a primary care physician in a small community where I grew up, and I was always impressed by the level of respect he commanded from the community for the care of his patients. I got interested in cancer when my mother died of cancer while I was a medical student, and I saw the impact of cancer on the community and the rest of our family, so I decided I'd become an oncologist. I'm most passionate about trying to work with my colleagues to optimize the care of cancer patients, in particular to try to achieve a cure with the fewest possible side effects. Patients, I think, are particularly impressed by the combination of expertise, but as well with the care that's delivered in a compassionate manner. I play the tenor and the alto saxophone. Matter of fact, I play in the Lime Town Band, a community band in the area.